So over here you can see that I have a raw image, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and change the way how the file gets handled. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the gear icon right here, and over here you can see that file handling is an option. So while handling raw files, what you can do is you can embed the XMP. That means the editing data inside of the raw file itself. Or what you can also do is you can go around and utilize the sidecar XMP files so that the XMP files get stored separately as well. So you can do that over here, and you can also update the embedded JPG previews right here as well. You can also enable support for JPG and TIFF format or turn them off as well. And I'm just going to go around and press OK and make a few adjustments over here onto the image right here and press done. Once you do that over here in Adobe Breeze, you don't see much change. But as soon as I right click and then go around onto Review in Explorer right here, then you can see this out right here. You can see a separate XMP file that is stored. It's not embedded in the DNG file right here. So if I were to go around onto Notepad right here, now you can see all of the editing data right here that is stored separately. So the original file, that is the raw file, stays as it is, while the changes are actually just stored over here. So if you were to go around and delete this, then it'll just revert back to default editing settings. So that is how you can change around the file handling preferences according to how you want inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.